Skill number 4. Create a quadratic inequality with the y-intercept of -14 that has the same set of solutions as the absolute value of x minus 3, and that's less than 4. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve for this. So in order to get rid of these absolute value things, I'm going to create two separate equations. So I'm going to just take x minus 3 has to be less than 4. And then I have to flip the sign. Okay, so x minus 3, flip it, and then that means I have to also change this to a negative. That's just basically when you flip the sign, you change that to a negative. So then you just solve those, and you add 3, you get 7, x is less than 7, and then add 3, x is greater than -1. So then we just combine these, and we have -1 is less than x, which is less than 7. So, and here's what that looks like right here on this number line. So then, to make a quadratic inequality out of this, I'm going to take these values, and those are going to be my zeros of my quadratic, because, you know, that's just how it works. So we take x plus 1 and x minus 7, because that's going to equal to those, and you're going to multiply this together, you get x squared minus 6x minus 7. But the y-intercept has to be -14, so that's why you multiply this by 2. So then now you have 2x squared minus 12x minus 14. So this is what the graph looks like right here. But this inequality is only these solutions right here. So the inequality is only these solutions. So I pretty much just took this and placed it right on top of this x-axis, and these are the only solutions right here. So to make my quadratic here, my quadratic inequality, to make it so only these are the values, I have to make it less than 0, because they're asking for the line, not the shaded region. They're asking for the line. That's why it's equal to 0. That's why it's not y is greater than, it's 0, because they're asking for the line.